This is my computer, and after removing old Windows installation, I'm down to 70 gigabytes of hard drive space. I'd like to reduce it some more, and there's something that's taking up maybe like 30 gigabytes. And so I'm trying to clone my hard drive, but I want to remove extra stuff so the cloning is quicker. I pinpointed it to one program, of course, iTunes. So if you use an iPhone and you plug in your iPhone or your iPad, it backs up your iPhone and iPad and it makes all of these things. So what I'll be doing is you get to this screen by going to open iTunes, go to edit, go to preferences, and then you can select all these things and delete backup. When I do that, let's give that a try. Select that all. And again, if I go back to my hard drive, I was at 151. Again, I was at 151. I'm going to now delete the backups. It's all done. So again, you just go into edit preferences in iTunes, go to devices, and you just select your device backups and delete. Let's refresh. And that gave me 12 more gigabytes. So I'm slowly on my way there. Let's see if me recycle that. So that gave me an extra 20 something gigabytes. Not too bad. So just be aware of that. Also on your phone, and Apple is under iTunes. You have software updates that you can remove. I'm not sure how to do that through iTunes, but that was taking up like 8 gigabytes or 6 gigabytes. So just be aware.